stories we love to tell. Flour, sugar, a pinch of fun. Baking starts with everyone. Crack the eggs and watch them slide. Whisk them up, no need to hide. Pour the milk and add a dash. Careful now, don't make a splash. Chop the veggies, slice them small. Carrots, peppers, use them all. On the stove we hear the sizzle. A happy tune, a cooking drizzle. Roll the dough, it's soft and round. Press it flat upon the ground. Shape a pie or make some bread. Dreams of dinner fill our head. Spices sprinkle like magic sand. Taste and season with your hand. A little salt, a little sweet. Cooking's like a rhythmic beat. Now it's done, the feast is here. Plates are set and friends are near. Cooking's fun for me.